Hi guys, how are you all? So this is for all the Taurus people, Sun, Moon, Rising. It's going to be in Hindi and English mix, and we will be checking what is 2025 bringing in for you. I will not get into love and all of this, but I'll pick a few oracle message, whatever your spirit guides are wanting you to know. And if you want to know about your love life and all your personal stuff, you can book a personal reading. I will put the details in the description box. So let's begin with the reading. Let's see what do we have for Taurus. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's begin. Firstly, the first card that we have received is the card of freedom. Okay, I feel that in 2025 you will be setting an example. Okay, probably for some of your family members, probably for the world, probably for a lot of males, or probably for a lot of females. Okay, because I see that you have fought for yourself a lot in 2024. You have fought for your individuality, you have fought for your freedom. Okay, and you are still going to fight for your freedom in 2025. I don't see that you will be backing down. I don't see that you will give yourself off to anyone who is going to cage you or put you in any kind of box. Okay, and when you fight, definitely you will be winning. Okay, I do see that you will be winning this battle. You will be freeing yourself from any kind of boundary, any kind of restriction, any kind of caged thought process, or let's say there your family has been restricting you. You were not allowed to do certain things, you were not allowed to follow your passion, you were not allowed to be you. Okay, so you are choosing to be you, you are choosing to be authentic. Okay, and you will also help others to be authentic. So with your story, with your experience, with this battle, you will be inspiring other people to do the same. So if you see, this is you and these are other people. Okay, आप जैसे जैसे अपने आप को फ्री करोगे, वैसे वैसे आप बाकी लोगों को भी फ्री करोगे. Okay, so definitely मुझे कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है that you will be setting an example through your personal story, through your personal life. Okay, for some it's not necessary that it is going to be a lot of people in public. It can be for others. I definitely feel that it can be your friends and your close friends, your friends, your family members, because you will be teaching them something. Okay, and this is regarding individuality, this is regarding authenticity, and this is regarding freedom. Okay, and with a lot of assertiveness, you are flying high. Okay, you are seeking the freedom, and now the freedom is also seeking you. Okay, then the next card that we have is Guardian of Water. So I do see that you are the more freedom you seek, the more wild you get. And when I say wild का मतलब कभी भी ये नहीं होता कि आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो या कुछ ऐसा. Wild just means being in nature, being natural, being organic. So more organic you become, the more emotionally stable you become. ओके, हम लोग यूजुअली फ्रीडम को बहुत अलग तरीके से लेते हैं. हमें लगता है कि फ्रीडम कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो सब चीज़ें ख़राब कर देगी, लोगों को इनसिक्योरिटी होने लग जाती है, ऐसा होने लग जाता है, वैसा होने लग जाता है. बट फ्रीडम इज़ समथिंग दैट एक्चुअली मेक्स अस मोर बैलेंस्ड, that actually makes us more grounded, more centered, and more focused. So this freedom is making you more emotionally stable. It is making you more emotionally mature, because जब आपके पास वो freedom होता है अपने आप को express करने का, the way you want to express, everything just falls in place. And I also feel that your throat chakra is going to be super activated. So the way you express yourself, throat chakra is for self expression, so the way you're going to express yourself, it's going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, it's going to be commendable. सो दैट इज़ देयर. सो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपका वाटर एंड अर्थ एलिमेंट बहुत बैलेंस्ड रहने वाला है. यू विल हैव द मोस्ट पीसफुल ईयर, लेट मी टेल यू दिस. ओके, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरनल पीस. No matter what is going to happen externally, you will find peace within yourself. And I also see that you might be spending a lot of time near water or traveling to places that has beaches, that has oceans and rivers, lakes. And I see you doing a lot of that work. And कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है that if you work with crystals this year, it's going to be super cool. Okay, so you can work with rose quartz, you can work with moonstone, you can work with clear quartz. Okay, you can work with lapis lazuli, you can work with the turquoise वाला जो एक crystal होता है, I don't remember the name exactly. Okay, but it has that shine. Okay, and it is for throat chakra also. You can work that. You can do reiki, and आप reiki का जो चौकुरे वाला जो pendant होता है, that is something that you can wear. Okay, you can also wear that spiral वाला जो वो होता है, shell होता है, that is also something that you can wear. Okay, if you give food to fish, okay, that is something which can be very much helpful, as in it will really please your soul. All right, then coming to the next one, it says attachment. Like I said that you will be releasing all the attachments. Okay, but एक जो छोटा सा block आता है when we release all the attachment is we want to become free, but एक कहीं ना कहीं subconscious thought रहता है कि सामने वाला ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Because if two people become free, especially in romantic relationships or very close relationships, वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं companionship जो है वो miss हो जाती है, right? Like spending time together and doing all that PDA, or probably wanting some drama also at times, जो भी है. So you will be releasing the attachment. And it also says, change me, divine beloved, into me who trusts that the perfect relationship always arrives on time. Let me feel worthy and deserving of love. I don't know why, but I do feel that you might want to leave your existing partner. Okay, and you are preparing yourself for a greater love, because you might feel that you deserve all the love, or you are worthy of love. It can be something else also, but just the message that I was receiving. So definitely releasing all the attachments and yet being able to love, that is what I see you doing. But like I said कि एक वो block भी होता है that you would want to control people. एक जब हम free हो जाते हैं ना, so हम चाहते हैं कि सामने वाला भी ऐसा हो जाए, right? हमें लगता है कि यार the other person should also behave the way we are behaving. The other person should also do things what we are doing. So do not control people, because एक वो controlling वाली tendency कहीं ना कहीं increase हो सकती है. Because the more free you become, the more wild you become, there is a possibility of ego. Okay, some kind of ego development, because when you become completely free, you have nothing to fear or nothing to lose. And when we do not have anything to lose or fear, that is when वो कहीं ना कहीं ego थोड़ी थोड़ी develop होने लग जाती है, and then we start controlling people, or that is the time when we start comparing people also. अरे ये क्या कर रहा है, ये person तो अपने freedom को enjoy नहीं कर रहा है, ये person तो free ही नहीं है, ये तो ऐसा नहीं है. So I see you complaining and wanting to control people, something that you should be working on. It says being over controlling can sabotage relationships. To more effectively achieve your goals, back off, regroup, and give the situation some breathing room. Okay, now for some who feel that your kundalini is stuck, Okay, अगर आपको लगता है that you have been doing a lot of inner work, you have been meditating a lot, but you feel that your kundalini kind of got blocked somewhere, या कहीं पे रुक गई थी आपकी जर्नी वहीं से ही स्टार्ट होती हुई दिख रही है वापस से. And I do see for some you will have certain awakenings also. Some of you may even experience your kundalini awakening completely, your third eye opening completely. ओके, बिकॉज कुंडलिनी इज गोइंग टू प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. कुछ लोगों के लिए ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपकी कुंडलिनी थ्रोट चक्रा तक पहुंच जाए. सो यू विल बी एक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑन सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन. यू विल बी डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क रिलेटेड टू थ्रोट चक्रा. ओके, इट कैन बी expressing, it can be writing, it can be expressing yourself with creativity, it can be doing something related to talking, something related to writing. Some of you, if you like writing poems or if you like writing blogs, articles, this is a very good time to do that. Okay, because you will be able to channelize your energy in a very graceful manner. Then finally we have Assault, and it says Undying Love, which says the love you have shared is eternal regardless of the situation. I see that you will be you will become really compassionate. ओके, काफ़ी ज़्यादा आप कंपैशनेट होते हुए दिख रहे हो. एंड आई ऑल्सो सी दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम गॉड ऑल्सो. लाइक एक होता है कि हम अपने आप को समझाते ही रहते हैं दैट या मे बी गॉड इज़ देयर, येस यूनिवर्स इज़ देयर, बट वी डू नॉट सी एनी प्रूफ, राइट. कभी शायद से साइंस में दिख जाता है या कुछ ऐसा, बट एक क्लियर प्रूफ हमें नहीं मिलता कि येस गॉड इज़ देयर, गॉड इज़ विद मी. सो समथिंग इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. यू विल हैव सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंसेस, you will experience certain events in your life in 2025 where you will feel, you will see that yes, God is with me. So you are receiving a lot of love from God, and when you receive that love from God, you will be able to give that love to others as well. Okay, so that undying love is increasing. Okay, I really feel that you should, work with crystals. You can also wear a pendant. If you wear a pendant till your heart chakra, okay, कोई इतना लंबा pendant लो जो आपके heart chakra पे touch होता है, that will be something which will, help you to align your energies. So that is one very strong message that I'm getting, and I think that is it. I don't have anything else to add, and I hope you have an amazing and lovely year ahead. So see you. Bye bye.